Good morning, students. Today also we are going to continue the same lesson, lesson 3, algebra. Okay. Before going to the concept, we can see some basics. Okay. So addition and subtraction and fraction. Okay. Okay. Now you see first one. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay. Now you see 1 by 2 plus this basic. Okay. Just I am giving introduction. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Before adding. So you see the denominator. If the denominator is equal means, so you have to write 1 in that denominator. Okay, instead of that 2, so you have to write 1. Then add the numerator 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So it's 4 divided by 2. Now you simplify. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So answer is 2. Okay, like this one you have to do. So here, okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. Both are divisible by 2. That's why we have simplified. Suppose instead of 3, some other values are, so 3 is here. Okay, here, sir, 4. Okay, anyway, this is 2. No, that's why you get the multiple of 2 only. Okay, so if it is multiple of same number, how to simplify? If it is not multiple of any number, no need to simplify. Okay, so be careful. So adding fractional numbers, if the denominator is same, means you have to write 1 time, then you add the numerator. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then you simplify. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so equal to 2. So next one, in subtraction also same method only. 1 by 2 minus, here you write it. Okay, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to. Okay, you see both are fractional numbers, in between what is here minus. So you have to subtract the both number. Before subtracting, you add, you see the denominator. Denominators are same, isn't it? So one time you write it. Then you subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1 is 2. So here also you can simplify. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. So answer is 1. So like this only you have to do. Okay, in lower classes you have learned this. But now we can recall this. Okay. So next third one is in multiplication you see 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. This is addition, subtraction, this is multiplication. So when you are multiplying, just you multiply the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Then you see 1 into 3 is 3, isn't it? Then 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, just you multiply. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So this is the answer. So we cannot simplify. Okay, so answer is 3 by 4. Then next division. In division, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by 2, 3 by 2. That means first you write the first term 1 by 2. Instead of divide, you put multiplication symbol into. Then reciprocal of second part. Reciprocal of second part is 2 by 3. Okay, are you clear? Now if you can, actually you have to multiply. Before multiplying, if you can simplify, means you simplify. So 2 2 cancel. Okay, remaining what is there? 1 by 2. So this is the answer. See the difference? Addition means if the denominator is same, means one thing you have to write. Then you add the numerator. In subtraction also, if the denominator is same, you write one side, then you subtract the numerator. Then here, multiplication means just you multiply the numerator. Here no need to take LCM and multiply LCM and all. Okay. So numerator 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Next one is see if the division is there means both are fractional numbers, means first you write the first fraction. Instead of divide, you have to put into, then reciprocal of second part. Okay. Then you can simplify, means you simplify. That's the answer. Okay. So like this in one fraction and one whole number also you can do. So fifth one. So carefully 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay. One is whole number, another one is fractional number. How will you do this? So you see here, just you multiply this denominator into this value. 2 into 1. So that is 2, isn't it? 2 into 1 is 2. So what is there? 1 by, already in denominator 2. This is the method. Okay. 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2. Okay. This in subtraction also same method. 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. 1 minus 1 by 2. So that is, you see, multiply 2 into 1, that is 2. The then minus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 means 1. So 1 by 2. Are you clear? Next is 7th one. 1 into 1 by 2. So here also some of you are confusing. 1 into 1 by 2. Just you multiply the numerator is there. 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay, you should not write 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Okay, so only you have to multiply the numerator. 1 into 1 is 1. Next, what is here? 2. Okay, so answer is 1 by 2. In division also, 1 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, so otherwise 1 divided by 1 by 2. So both parts you are confusing. 1 divided by 1 by 2 or 1, this is also divided only. Divided by 1 by 2. That means what you want to do? 1, okay, into, okay, reciprocal of this value, 2 by 1. Okay, now you multiply. 1 into 2 is 2 by 1 you can use. Answer is 2. You have to do carefully. Okay, so here also 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Both are same only. Okay, so 1 by 2. Instead of divide, you put multiplication symbol, then reciprocal of second value. So 2 cancels. So answer is 1 by 3. So okay, next class we can see next 2. Okay, so today this much enough. I am going to continue the last day portion. Okay. Exercise 3.5. So question number 4. If x equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 by 3a square minus 3 and y equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4, find the value of x square y power minus 2. Okay, x square y power minus 2. Okay, shall we do? So very simple only. Okay, so you listen. First x is given, isn't it? So you write the x value. So x equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 by 3a square minus 3. Okay, a square plus 3a minus 4 by 3a square minus 3. Okay, next. You see this is quadratic equation, so you can factorize. Okay, you know the factor method. So multiplication is minus 4. You see the concept. Okay, so multiplication is minus 4. That sum is 3. So product is minus 4. Sum is 3. So product minus sum is positive means the one number is negative. That is smaller number is negative. So 1 into 4. Okay. So 1 into 4 is 4. So 1 number is minus means minus into plus minus. Now we subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, are you clear? So now the variable is a. So a minus 1 into a plus 4. A minus 1 into a plus 4 divided by. Then see here 3a square minus 3. In both the parts 3 is common, isn't it? We take common. 3 into a square minus 1. 3 becomes 1. Okay. Then once again we can expand this. How can you see the denominator? In last class we have seen this type. A square minus 1, x square minus 1. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. You can think that is a square minus 1 square. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So already I given this formula. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Instead of a, here also a only. Instead of b, what is here? 1. Okay, a is a, b is 1. So you say that a minus 1 into a plus 4 divided by 3 into, how can we say? A plus 1 into a minus 1. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Instead of b here, 1 is. So, okay, expanded. If you can simplify, we simplify. A minus 1 cancel. So what is remaining? A plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1. Okay. Then next second one, y. So y equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. Okay, now you see both are quadratic only. Before protracting, if any value is before factorizing, if any value is common means you take common. Okay. So see here numerator no common element. The denominator 1 2 is common. Okay. You take outside. What do you get? Equal to, so factorize first, numerator, multiplication is minus 8, addition is 2, okay, product is minus 8, sum is 2, here also product is negative, sum is positive, so the one number is negative, that is smaller number is negative, okay, 4 2s are 8, you can say, yes, smaller number is 2, then only 4 minus 2, 2 you will get, so a plus 4 into a minus 2 divided by the denominator what I told you can take 1 2 common. If you are taking 2 common means so what you get a square then minus a then 4 becomes 2 because 2 2s are 4. So a square minus a minus 2. Okay. A plus 4 into a minus 2 divided by 2 into you factorize this. Multiplication is minus 2, product is minus 2, sum is minus 1. So both are minus means one number is minus, that is greater number is minus. Actually for 2 only one possible, 1 2 is 2. So you put minus for greater number. So value is a plus 1 into a minus 2. Okay. Now a minus 2 cancel. Remaining a plus 4 by 2 into a plus 1. This is the value of y. Okay, actually our question is not x and y. X and y is given. We have converted into simple form. Okay, now we are going to find the value of x square y power minus 2. See carefully, x square y power minus 2. So okay, equal to a power minus m means. So meaning is 1 by a power m. Okay, if you are taking a denominator, it will become positive. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Otherwise, 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. So here also like that. You see, x square value is, so consider one more step you write x square y power minus 2. So use this formula. Instead of a power minus m, we can write 1 by. If you are taking a denominator means, okay. So here also you take it in denominator, it will become positive. So y square by y square. Now you apply the value of x. X is a plus 4 by 3 into a plus 1 the whole square. So let the whole square. A plus 4 the whole square by separate diameter 3 square into, so value is a plus 1 the whole square. All the terms I square. Okay, then instead of divide I am writing into and reciprocal of y value. So reciprocal of y value is 2 into a plus 1 by a plus 4. Actually there one square is there, so square all the values. Square a plus 4 the whole square. Okay, don't confuse. X square by y square only. So x square value I have written instead of divide into and the reciprocal of y value because that is fractional. Okay, so rational expression. Okay, so converted. Next a plus 1 the whole square, a plus 1 the whole square, a plus 4 the whole square, a plus 4 the whole square. Remaining what is there? 2 square. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, next problem, question number 5. If a polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 5x minus 14 is divided by another polynomial q of x. We get x minus 7 by x minus 2, x minus 7 by x minus 2. Find q of x. Find q of x. Okay, we can find. Okay. If you polynomial, one polynomial is given, that is p of x. It is divided by another polynomial q of x. Okay. So p of x is what I given. P of x is divided by q of x. Okay. Equal to, we get what we are getting, x minus 2 by, so x minus 7 by x minus. So read the question clearly. If a polynomial p of x is divided by the another polynomial q of x. So p of x divided by q of x equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2. Okay. Then now p of x value is there. X square minus 5x minus 14 divided by q of x equal to, what is here? X minus 7 by x minus 2. Okay. So we know the value of p of x. That's why I have substituted here. So here unknown is q of x. We want to find q of x. Okay. Now you can factorize this value. Product is minus 14. Sum is minus 5. Okay. What are the numbers? 7 2s are actually both are minus, means the greater number is minus. You check that. Minus into plus minus. 7 2s are 14. Next greater is minus, so minus 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Satisfying. Okay. So the factor is x minus 7 into x plus 2 divided by q of x equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2. Okay. Now you see the both side. The numerator by x minus 7 is common. So I simplify. X minus 7, x minus 7 cancel. Now you have to take q of x right hand side, x minus 2 left hand side. So you see the next step. Already here one x plus 2. So then one more x minus 2 you are taking left hand side. So x minus 2 equal to, okay, then q of x. Actually this is x plus 2, okay, x plus 2. To change it, x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2 into x plus 2 equal to q of x. Okay, now q of x equal to, q of x equal to, you multiply this, x into x, x square, okay, x into x, x square. Next x into 2x, that is, sorry, x into 2 is 2x. Next one more, next 2 into x is 2x. Next remaining is 2 2s are 4, okay, plus 4 equal to x square plus 2x is 4x plus 4, okay, that is the answer. Okay, so once again, so when p of x is given, that p of x is divided by another polynomial q of x. So p of x by q of x equal to x, that is given x minus 7 by, so that's given, you see, we get, okay, that's why written equal to x minus 7 by x plus 2. Then you write the p of x value, then factorize, you can simplify, then cross multiply, we will get the q of x value, okay. Then okay, exercise 3.5 we have completed. Next, this is the related multiplication and division, isn't it, 3.5. Next concept, addition and subtraction of rational expression, okay, addition and subtraction. Example 3.17. Find x square plus 20x plus 36 by x square minus 3x minus 28 divided by, sorry, not divide, minus x square plus 12x plus 4 Okay, 12x. Okay, 12x plus 4 by x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay. So if you know factorization means this is very easy for you. You see that both terms in the beginning of the class some basic I have given. So that's why I told when you are subtracting fraction, that is this p of x by q of x, right? You see the denominator first. If the denominator is same means we can subtract directly. Okay. If the denominators are different, so you have to take LCM. So that is another. Okay. Now the denominator you see both are same, isn't it? So I am going to subtract the value. X square plus 20x plus 36 divided by x square minus 3x minus 28. So what is here? Minus x square plus 12x plus 4 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to. You see both the denominators are same. So one time you write x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay. Then you see the numerator. In numerator what is here in first part? So you write x square plus 20x plus 36 minus, you write the second part in bracket because one minus is there. Minus is common for all the three terms. So you can't multiply by minus directly, otherwise one time you write minus x square plus 12x plus 4. Okay. Now x square plus 20x plus 36, you multiply by minus, minus x square, minus into plus is minus, so 12x, then minus into plus is minus 4, divided by x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay. Now you see, so x square minus x square cancel, isn't it? Next remaining what is here? 20x plus 36 minus 4 is 32. Sorry, 20x minus 12 is there. No, so 20 minus 12 is 8x. So 8x plus 32 divided by, product equation is here. So you factorize. So multiplication is minus 28. So product is minus 28. Sum is minus 3. What are the numbers? 7 4s are 28. So both are minus. So greater number is minus. Now you check. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. So greater number symbol. 7 4s are 28. Minus into plus is minus. So the factor is x minus 7 into x plus 4. So once again you see the numerator. In numerator 8 and 32 is there. Both are common. Isn't it? Multiple of 8. So 8 into x plus 4 8s are 32 divided by x minus 7 into x plus 4. Okay. X plus 4 cancel. What is remaining there? 8 by x minus 7. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. For addition and subtraction, first you have to see the denominator. If the denominator is same means, so we can subtract directly. If the denominators are different, we have to take the LCM. Okay. Okay, next problem. So important 5 mark problem. Okay, next problem is important 5 mark problem. You see only. So you see in the question you see that is difficult, but the calculation is easy. Okay. So important 5 mark problem. Simplify 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 15. Okay. So don't think this is difficult. This is easy problem, very easy problem. If you know the factorization and LCM means this is very simple. Okay. Now you can do 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to. So So first part you see 1 by 1 quadratic is there, isn't it? So first you factorize, okay? So 1 by, so you factorize that product is 6, sum is minus 5. So product is positive, sum is negative, means both the numbers are minus. So very simple, 2 3s are 6. You add that 2 plus 3 is 5. So factor is x minus 2 into x minus 3, okay? Then plus, okay? Then second part, 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2. So here product is 2. Product is 2, sum is minus 3, okay? What are the possibilities? 1, 2 is 2. So here also product is plus, sum is negative, so both the numbers are minus. Okay, minus into minus plus, in addition minus minus minus, okay? So x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2, okay? Then minus, then third part, you see, x square minus 8x plus 15. The product is 15. Sum is minus. If here also product is positive, sum is negative. So 3 5s are 15. So minus, okay? Now you see the factor. X minus 3 into x minus 5. Okay, now you have to add and subtract. Before adding and subtract, you have to take the LCM. You see the terms. In first term, x minus 2 and x minus 3 is here. It's different terms, isn't it? So first you see x minus 2 is here. In other places there means you see that. Instead of these two terms, one time you write x minus 2. Okay. So like the next, x minus 3 is here. Here also have x minus 3. Instead of the 2 part, you write 1. X minus 3. Next is x minus 1. So x minus 5. Remaining terms also you want to write. So in LCM concept you have studied in expressions how you want to take LCM. Okay. So okay, now you have written all the terms. LCM I have taken. Now you check the first part. Already there x minus 2 and x minus 3 is there, isn't it? But now I have written 4 terms. What are the terms are not there? That terms you have to write in numerator. So x minus 2 and x minus 3 is there. So what are the terms are missing there? X minus 1 into x minus. So you write the two terms, x minus 1 and x minus 5. Okay. So like that next part, x minus 1 and x minus 2 is here. So x minus 1 and x minus 2. So what are the terms remaining? So x minus 3 into x minus 5. Okay, then what is here? Minus. Next one is here. X minus 3 and x minus 5 is there. So these two terms are there. What other terms are not there? X minus 2 and so you write is here. X minus 2 into x minus 1. Are you clear? Next, just you have to remove the bracket, multiply. Okay. X into x square. Okay, done. X into minus 5 minus 5x. Next, minus 1 into x, that is minus x. Minus 1 into minus, so minus into minus plus 1, 5 is 5, okay. The next term, x into x square, so plus x square. X into minus 5, that is minus 5x. Next, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. So minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15. Okay, next term. So in next part you do carefully, outside one minus is there. So x into x square. Outside one minus, so minus x square. Otherwise one more step you want to write, okay. So lengthy step, no, that's why I am writing directly. Okay, x into x is x square, or minus is there, so minus x square. Next, x into minus 1 is minus x, one minus is here, so plus x. Okay, then minus 2 into x is minus 2x, one minus here, so plus 2x. Okay, then minus 2 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus 2 and is 2 outside or minus, so minus 2. Okay, divided by x minus 2. X minus 3, x minus 1 and x minus 5. Okay. Now you see the numerator. In time, if you can simplify, means you have to simplify. So 1 plus x square or minus x square cancel. Okay. Next, so x plus x is 3x. Okay. X plus x is 3x. So this 3x and minus 3x cancel. 1 plus 3x and minus 3x cancel. So next, what are the terms remaining? You say. When x square is there, this what are the terms? X 1, 2, 3. Add this minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, minus 6, minus 5 is minus 11. All the terms are negative. So you have to put minus and add the value 5 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, that is 11x. Next, concentrate on 5. Okay, 5, 15. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. So my plus 18 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 5. Okay. Now, so now you see the numerator. Again it is in quadratic form. You factorize. So product is 18. Sum is minus 11. Okay. So now 9 2s are 18. Okay. 9 2s are 18. Product positive, sum negative means both the numbers are negative. So minus into minus plus. 9 2s are 18. In addition, 9 plus 2 is 11. Minus 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 1. Okay. Now you write once again that factor. X minus 9 into x minus 2 divided by denominator of the terms. X minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 5. Okay. Now x minus 2, x minus 2 cancel. So remaining is the answer. X minus 9 by x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 5. That's all. Okay. So an easy problem you can do. Okay. The important 5 mark problem. Okay. Next. You can see next problem. Exercise 3.6. Question number 4. Which rational expression should be subtracted from x square plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8 to get 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay. Which rational expression should be subtracted from? Okay, we don't know one expression. So that expression only we want to find. That is subtracted from this. Okay, we will get 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. So we can check that rational expression is p of x. Okay, the rational expression is p of x. Then you can say the condition. So when you are subtracting this value from p of x from this value, we will get 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. So p of x from this value means you have to write this value first. X square plus 6x plus 8 minus x cube plus 8 minus that unknown rational expression, that is p of x. Required rational expression is p of x. Okay, equal to 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4. So you can write here, let p of x be the required rational expression. Okay. So if you are not writing also no problem. Okay, p of x means that is denoting rational expression only. Okay. So x square plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8 minus p of x equal to, okay, you have written given condition, that is given condition. Now p of x is negative, so actually we need p of x. So if you are taking right hand side, it will become positive. So minus p of x you take right hand side. Then this term you have to take left hand side. Okay, so x square plus 6x plus 8 by x cube plus 8 minus, it will become minus. So minus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to, so minus p of x, if you are taking right hand side means p of x. Okay, plus. Now you see this. So denominators you have to say, isn't it? You have to subtract. Before that, if you can't factorize means you factorize that. Okay. So here you can factorize. Multiplication is, so product is 8, sum is 6. What are the numbers? 4 2s are 8. Very simple. Positive, no? So x plus 4 into x plus 2. Okay. Then by here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. I am saying b cube. Whether it is b cube form, Yes, this is a cube number. Okay, 8 is a cube of 2. So 2 cube, we can form that 2 cube minus 3 by. So here can we factorize? Actual multiplication is 4, addition is 2 means so we cannot. Okay, actually 2 2s are 4. Next addition is what you need. So 2 2s multiplication is positive, addition is sum means so both the numbers are negative. Okay, so you get minus 4 only. So not possible. One more possible. 1 4 is 4. So there also you get minus 1. So we cannot factorize. Okay. So x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to p of x. Okay, next step. Here we expand a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus x square minus b ab plus b square. Okay. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, expand here. X plus 4 into x plus 2 divided by a cube plus b cube. Instead of a, what is here? X. Instead of b, 2. Then you use the formula and expand x plus 2 into x square. Okay, a square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2. Okay. Sorry, minus ab. Okay, minus x into 2. That is 2x plus b square. B square is 2 square. 2 square means 4. Minus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to p of x. Okay, next x plus 2 cancel. Remain what is here? X plus 4 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, see x plus 4 by x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to p of x. Okay, the denominators are same. You see, so if the denominator is same means x square minus 2x. One side we want to write, isn't it? So okay, x square minus 2x plus 4. Then see the numerator x plus 4. What is here? Minus 3 equal to p of x. Okay. Then next x 4 minus 3 is 1. So x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to p of x. This is the answer. So unknown is in right hand side. Once again you write this bituminous. So p of x equal to x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus. Okay. Okay, next problem. Question number 5. Okay. If a equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1, comma, b equal to 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Okay, find 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. Okay, that's all. Finds. Okay, finds 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. So we can do easily. Okay. A is given, b also given. So you can write here a equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. B equal to 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Okay. Next, you write the question. What do you want to find? 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square, isn't it? Equal to. So first step, I am going to expand a square minus b square. You know the formula. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. 1 by a minus b minus 2b by. Okay, expand this a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, next you see, this is first part, this is second term. So, the first part denominator is a minus b. Second part denominator is a plus b into a minus b. So, if you want to subtract means you need the denominator same, isn't it? So you take LCM. So you know to take the LCM. A minus B is here. Here also A minus B. So common for A minus B and A minus B is A minus B. Okay, next one more time. A plus B. Okay, A plus B. This is the LCM. Now here what is missing? A plus B is, isn't it? So you write it in numerator. So A plus B minus, already the two terms are there. So no adjustment there. What is that? That you have to write minus 2B. Okay, next A 1B minus 2B. You see 1B minus 2B. So greater is minus. So minus 2 minus 1. That is 1. A minus B by A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. Now you simplify. A minus B cancel. What is remaining? 1 by A plus B. Okay, 1 by A plus B. Now you have to say. Now only you want to substitute the value of A and B. So after simplification, okay. So that is better. Otherwise difficult. Beginning itself you are substituting means. Okay. So 1 by A plus B. Here A is 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 plus B. B value is 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Okay. So equal to, how to write here that divide, because this is denominator. Okay. This equal to 1 divided by, here you take LCM now. So LCM is both are different, so that is the LCM. 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Then here, you take this here, okay, cross 2x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, plus here 2x minus 1 the whole square. Here clear? Now, already I told it's 1 by, divide means instead of divide you can write into multiplication, isn't it? So 1 into reciprocal of this part. 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 by here 2x plus 1 the whole square plus 2x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now see here you multiply 2 into, otherwise see A minus B into A plus B. It is in the form of A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So if you forget that formula means just you multiply inside. Okay. So here I am going to use the formula. It is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Here A is 2x. So 2x the whole square minus B is 1. So 1 square. Divided by, then here A plus B the whole square. You expand that. A plus B the whole square means A square. That is 2x the whole square. So one time write 2x the whole square. Okay, A square plus 2ab. 2 into 2x into 1 plus B square. 1 square. Okay, then second part minus. Same part only. Instead of this plus, there minus will come. So 2x the whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if you know the expansion, directly means you can write, okay, without this expansion. So you can write directly 4x square plus 4x, okay. So now 2x the whole square, 2 square, that is 4, okay, 4x square minus 1 divided by, next here, 2x the whole square, that is 4x square. Okay, 2x the whole square means 4x square. Next 2 square, 4x. Next what is here? Plus 1. Next again 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, so plus 4x minus 4x cancel. So what is remaining? 4x square minus 1 divided by 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now 4x square minus 1 divided, actual calculation over. In denominator 1, 2 is common. So you take common. 2 into, if you are taking 2 common means 8 becomes, so how many 4 2s are 8? 4. So 4x square plus 1 2 is, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, next problem. Sixth one. If a equal to x by x plus 1, comma, b equal to 1 by x plus 1, prove that a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square divided by a divided by b. Okay. So you want to prove 2 into x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, very simple. Actual answer is given there, so you won't confuse it. Okay. Finally, you can check the answer. A equal to x by x plus 1, then b equal to 1 by x plus 1. A equal to x by x plus 1, b equal to 1 by x plus 1. Okay, next here. So what is in left hand side, that you check. Okay. So a plus b the whole square. Otherwise you can write LHS equal to. So you can also correct a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square by a divided by b. Okay. First you expand this. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square plus next here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, divided by a divided by b. Okay, next here plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. What is remain there? 1a square, here 1a square. So a square plus a square 2a square plus 1b square, here 1b square. So 2b square divided by a divided by b. Okay, then numerator 1 2 is common, isn't it? Take common. So 2 into a square plus b square divided by a divided by b. Okay, now you substitute the value. A square, a value how to substitute first? So okay, 2 into a square, a value is x by x plus 1. So square the numerator and denominator, x square by x plus 1 the whole square. Next plus b square, b value is 1. So 1 square means 1. So 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Okay. Divided by a by b. Okay, so here a is x by x. Actually, you can instead of a divided by, you can take into b by a. Like that also you can take. Otherwise, you write it here. This is a divided by b. So next, what you have to write instead of divide, how to put into and b by a, isn't it? So like that you can write. That is better, I think. So no need to write the denominator into b. B value is 1 by x plus 1 divided by, next here, a value is x by x plus 1. Okay. Now x plus 1 cancel. We can simplify. Okay. Then 2 into, you see the denominator, both are same. So x plus 1 the whole square into remaining, you add the numerator x square plus 1 into 1 by x. Now you see the numerator, multiply numerator into numerator. Actually numerator is 1 2, then x square plus 1 into 1, that is x square plus 1 divided by remaining what is here, x into x plus 1 the whole square. This one only actually you want to prove. So we got that. Actually the question is, in right hand side is 2 into x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 the whole square. This is the right hand side. We check the right hand side whether we got, yes we got, so equal to RHS. Okay. Okay, next problem. Number 7. What it means 4 hours to complete a work. His friend Yuvan needs U1 needs 6 hours to complete the same work. Complete the same work. How long will it take to? How long will it take to complete if they work together? If they work together. Okay, so separately if they are doing means Harry is taking 4 hours and Yuvan is taking 6 hours. If they are working together means, so how much time they will take, how long, okay, they are asking. So we can see, first you have to write, let the work done by Harry and Yuvan together be yes, you have taken X hours. Okay, X hours. Okay. Now, work done by Pari is so totally 4 hours. So one part only we are going to mention. So work done by Pari equal to 1 by 4. One part only you have to write for what problem. Okay, time. So work done by U1 B, so U1 equal to 6, okay, so 1 by 6 part. So by the given data, so if they are doing together means, so Pari is 1 by 4 plus U1 is 1 by 6 equal to 1 by X. Okay, if they are doing together means they will take X days, that's right. So 1 by X, so take LCM. So LCM of 6, 4. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. You multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So LCM is 12, okay. So 12. The numerator what you get? So when you are multiplying 4 by 3 only you get 12. So numerator multiply by 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 6 into 2 is 12. Okay? So numerator multiply by 2. So 2 equal to 1 by X. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 by 12 equal to 1 by X. So cross multiply, okay. So otherwise, okay. 5x equal to 12. Then x equal to 12. 5 take it in right hand side by 5. So this is fractional form. So you have to convert, okay. 12 divided by 5. So you give 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10. Remaining is 2. Then 0.0. 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. What we got? So x equal to 2.4 hours. Okay, 2.4 hours. So the decimal is there. So if we need that minutes means actually this is 2.4 hours. Okay, I am going to convert into minute. 0.4 convert into minute. If you want to convert hours into minute means you have to multiply by 60, isn't it? So 0.4 into 60. So you multiply 60 into 4 is 60 into 4 is you get 240. Actually here 0.4, so 1 point is there, so 24. So equal to 2 hours R. Okay, R 2 hours 24 minutes. Okay, 2 hours. So if they are working together means they will take 2 hours 24 minutes. Okay. So don't forget, okay, hours converting time you have to multiply by 60. So homework problem is exercise 3.6 1 2, 3 on the subdivision. If the subdivision is there means you have to do the subdivision answer. So in first problem, Third subdivision, that's I am explaining, okay. So the question is x cube by x minus y plus y cube by y minus x, okay. So you see x minus y and y. So first when you are seeing, you think both are different. So you have to take LCM. Like that you will think, see, actually no need to take LCM here. Just to you see here x is plus, here x is negative. Here y is negative, there y is positive. Just you take one minus outside means you will get the same value in denominator also. So x cube by x minus y, here you take minus. So what you get? Y cube by y. So now x become positive. So yes, y become negative. So now you can see if the denominator same is one side you have to write. Next you see the numerator x cube minus y cube. Use a cube minus b cube formula. So you get the answer. Okay. Next in second part, second subdivision is 4x by x square minus 1 minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. So here also, so when you are seeing the sorting, so you will think x square minus 1 and x minus 1 is different, doesn't it? Actually there is a, if you can expand that term, you have to expand first. Afterwards only how to take LCM, okay. So here x square minus 1 we can expand. How can you expand? It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square expansion is a plus b into a minus b. So instead of a here x, instead of b 1. You can think that is 1 square. So 1 square value is 1. Okay. So expand that x plus 1 into x minus 1 minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. So after writing this one, we have to take LCM. Now you see, so 1 x plus 1 is there, so x plus 1. Then x minus 1 into x minus 1. So both parts common, so x minus 1. You should not write x minus 1 the whole square. So if you are writing directly means, so that is you get you have x plus 1 and x plus, sorry, x minus 1 the whole square only you get, okay. So if you are doing that like that means that is wrong. So that's why I am giving things, okay. Use these things and you do, okay. So then after taking LCM, you know, here any term is missing means you have to get nothing. So 4x minus here x plus 1 is missing. Already there 1 x plus 1, one more x plus 1 will come. Then you multiply, then subtract, okay. You get the answer. Okay, so you try that. It is 3.6 first problem. I think 3 subdivisions. One subdivision only you confuse. That's why I given. Then second one also 2 subdivisions. Second part. Sometimes you make mistake. That's why I explained here. The third one is only one part is there. Subtraction. Okay. So you do the problems. You get the idea about addition and subtraction. Okay. Thank you.